Hi, I'm Paul Gomez with National Cycle, and we are here at AIMExpo exposing all of our new products. We are known for windshield technology, the windshield experts. We also have a manufacturing facility in Chicago, Illinois, that we produce many different metals of accessories and windshields. Our claim to fame is our quantum hard coating. In a lot of areas, you have the acrylic, which is very easy. Not only does it break easy, but it scratches real easy. You have FMR, which is better, it's hard coated, but it does have a tendency to scratch. But our quantum hard coating, which is exclusive to National Cycle, is the toughest, most resistant to abrasion material in the world. V-Stream is the technology that we developed 20 years ago. What it is we took the windshield and basically made the opposite. We went wider at the top, narrow at the bottom, a little bit more vertical. So what we did is we were able to enhance the speed of the wind and push it away from the rider's head and shoulders. So you have better optics with the quantum hard coating, you have more comfort, and you have a quieter ride. Be sure to check us out. We have a YouTube channel, nationalcycle.com, and you can check out our website at www.nationalcycle.com.